Guess what I got today? I got my Shein in the mail today. I'm gonna check them out because apparently, what kind of intro was that? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nix Noel here and I'm back with another video, and it's a Shein haul unboxing. Shein unboxing haul. Shein haul slash unboxing. Anyway, today I'm going to be showing you guys what I ordered from the Shein site. If you guys are wondering what Shein is a online shopping platform that caters to fashion, accessories, men, women, children, yes, all sorts of categories. And today I'm gonna be showing you guys what I ordered. Yeah, let's see if it's a flop or not. And the thing about Shein is very affordable. It's affordable fashion. I mean, who wouldn't love affordable fashion? Shein is very popular. It's like known worldwide, and a bunch of celebrities, influencers, they order from this site because it's very affordable and they're always very trendy. They're on the top trends. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, what do we got here, friends? I'm dropping stuff. I be dropping stuff. Okay, let's see if they got everything right. If they got what I ordered right. Any freebies in the bag? No. Oh, they even gave me a receipt. Is this a receipt? Oh, return process. Oh, this is cool. They gave me like this piece of paper that shows me how to return products that, yeah. I'll check that out later. And they gave me a little brochure. Okay, I see what you're doing, Shein, yeah. And by the way, Shein started in 2008. Just FYI, they started in 2008. So, what I got from Shein, I got 8 products. So this is 1, 2, I gotta have my loop earrings. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and Cale 8. Okay, let's test them out. Let's start with the non-wearing ones. So, I kind of wanted to try out the brushes I found. I wanted to try their makeup brushes. Apparently, I was fooled by this one because I thought these were like full size, but these are travel sized ones. And they're actually minis, but they're pretty cool. And we gotta test them out. Okay, I see what you did there. That's soft. Soft. Okay, I can work with this. I can work with the travel sized brushes. They're so cute. Look at that. Wow. Yeah, I was fooled by these because I thought these were like full size, but then when I was reading the reviews, they're like, be warned, these are travel size. I'm like, they're cute though, so
heck with it. I went with it.
I went for the travel size ones. Okay, so that's numero uno. Then we go to the second one. Honestly, I gotta have my hoop earrings. Like, legit, man. I gotta have my hoops. Ah, look, I got 5 pairs of hoop earrings. Look how cute these are. I mean, yes, they can go with my collection. Oh, I also got myself some scrunchies, some hair scrunchies. I think these are the silk hair scrunchies. How many did I get? 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, I thought I was 8. Oh, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12.
I am going to be linking what I ordered in the description box. So if you guys fancy something here and you're like, ooh, I like that, I'm gonna check that out, like I can link that directly to the product itself. So yes. By the way, this is my first time ordering from Shein, and then so far so good. Yeah, let's go with the fourth one ordered. I ordered this pants, checkered like pants. By the way, I love their bag. Look at their bag. Yes, look at that. I got this pants.
I'm gonna have to stand on this couch for y'all just to see. I know I'm looking all over the place. Yep. I'll move you over there. So I'll scoot back. Alright, so.
I got these pants. They're in the size. Oh gosh. Did I get a large? You know what? I'm gonna try these on for you guys. Hold up. Okay, so I tried these on. Apparently, I should have gotten a medium because these are kind of loose here. You see that little pocket? But then I don't feel like putting it back. I can just like sew that tightly there. Yeah, that's a fit. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I had to move because it's getting a little tight over there. So, yes, yeah, I should have gotten medium because of that pocket there. Measurements were so wrong. Yeah, they're stretchable too. They're stretch, you know, stretch. They're very stretchy. So yeah, I'm not gonna return these. I'm just gonna fix them up here in the back because I love it. Let's rate it. This is like a, I'm gonna say a 7. Yeah, it's a 7 for me because of, I think it's my fault that I got the size wrong. Quality-wise, they're very durable. I can say that they are durable because of
It's stretchy. It's stretchy.
yeah. Okay, next fit. So my next fit are these printed biker shorts. It's in a size medium. I don't know. I think I should have gotten the small. Oh my gosh, these guys.
You know what? Lesson learned. Lesson learned.
I'm gonna try this, okay? Okay, so now I've tried the biker shorts on. Print-wise, I love the print. Yes, you can see the print there, but then they're a little bit loose. I should have gotten a small.
Lesson learned, guys.
But then I can work with these because these are kind of comfortable. A, B, C, D, E. If you guys love the fit, just make sure you get your measurements right. Lesson learned, guys. Lesson learned. Rating. I'm going to rate this a 6.5. Yeah, I rated the pants higher because the size was okay. It's a little fixture, but this one, I really should have gotten a small. On to the next fit. Wait, hold up. I want to rate the first 3 items. The makeup brushes, I'll give it an 8 because of the soft bristles. And for the earrings, I give it a 10.5 out of 10 because I love me some hoop earrings. You know me and my hoop earrings. And for the third one, the scrunchies, yeah, I give it a 8 also. Yeah, that's the fit. So on to the third outfit. Let's go. Yes. Excuse this piece of paper because I'm gonna tell you what this is. This is actually a contrast stitch color block asymmetrical top. Yes. Am I right?
Right?
Yeah, that's the one. Don't you like it? Don't you like it? Don't you like it? Don't you like it? Because I love it. Yes, if you like this fit, go check it out. I'm gonna link that down in the description. On to the next fit. Oh wait, I'm gonna rate this. I'm gonna rate this a 7.5. It's because I think it's a little too short up here. But that's fine, I like it. Next. Okay. I think I like this one. I love this one. It's the drop shoulder graphic print blouse. in the size small. Yes, I love this one. It's comfy and loose and
Yeah, it's fine. It's great.
do you love it? Because I love it. Yes, you can see all the details. This is really nice. Yes. If you're like a graphic tee type of person and you love this print, I actually wanted to get the other one too, but then they're all out, so it's in my wish list. This is the last top because my last item is actually a bralette. Yeah, so I ain't showing you that. Nah, brah, nah. You can even leave it open. You know, maybe in my like next video, I'd probably be doing like styling video, like outfits, mix and match and all that jazz. But this one is just a haul, it's just unboxing because I'm kind of excited because it's my first time ordering from Shein and I'm like, I gotta share with you guys because you know why. Okay, so as you can see, pile of clothes there. Yeah, I gotta clean that up. No, I'm just move stuff so I can sit like so. And I'll fix you. I'm gonna give this a 10. 10 for sure. I can just like chill in it and wear it out, wear it in, wherever. Yes, so lesson learned for this order, for this purchase, is to always stick with your gut. The first size that comes to mind, order it. Yeah, that's the haul. That's the unboxing of my first order from Shein. I'm actually loving this outfit. Right, so I'm gonna rate the bra as a 10 also. So this is a 10, the bra is a 10. My hoop earrings are a 10.5 over 10 because who doesn't love hoop earrings? So my lowest rating is actually the, I have no idea, I forgot my ratings. Yeah, I'm gonna have to look back through the video and what rating I did. That is the fit, guys. So I'm gonna link Shein site, I'm gonna link my orders. I would proudly say order from Shein because it's affordable, it's trendy, and it's there, it's in the horizon. Anywho, guys, don't forget to subscribe, click that bell, follow me on Instagram because why not? And yeah, if you do like this video, give it a nice thumbs up, comment down below what you think about these pieces because I would love to know what you guys think about these pieces, if it's a flop or not for you guys. For me, some are flops and this is definitely not. So until my next try on haul, my next unboxing. So yeah, thanks guys, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a nice thumbs up and comment down below whatever you guys want to comment down because I'm down to reply. And yeah, thanks guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.